Hey guys! In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the default clothing on your Roblox avatar quickly and easily. First, open up an internet browser and go to Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look over at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Avatar. Now this is a brand new account, so the avatar is currently wearing all of its default clothing. Head over to the Recent tab at the top and select All. Scroll through the list and simply deselect any clothing items you want to remove from your character. This will begin to clear off the default outfit. Next, go over to the head and body section and select Skin Tone. This is where we can create the illusion that the avatar isn't wearing any clothes by matching the body color. For example, if you choose the white color option here, you'll see your avatar's skin tone change entirely. For more customization, scroll down and click on the Advanced option. This allows you to choose specific colors for individual body parts like arms, legs, and torso. Just pick the same color for each part to get a unified look. Once you're done, hit Done to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Roblox avatar now appears without any default clothing, just the base body color you've selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.